What happens when you do not have sexual relations in a week? According to experts, having sex is beneficial not only for the relationship itself, but for the body. It is definitely proven that having sex benefits the relationship, not only because during the pre-sexual sex plays the secretion of the hormone oxytocin, which influences the formation of deep feelings that unite the couple, increases, but because it benefits the physical and mental health of those who practice them. When we fall in love and the relationship is already consolidated, it is very important to keep in mind that intimate relationships with the couple are very significant. In most cases, the relationship becomes much stronger and also brings some health benefits. However, when you do not have intimate relationships for a week, those benefits are lost radically and can be alarming for some. Having sexual relations brings health benefits. 1. Reduce stress. 2. Release the hormone of happiness. 3. Burn calories. 4. Increase your self-esteem. 5. Improve heart rate. 6. Induce restful sleep. 7. Tone your muscles. 8. It works as an antidepressant, tranquilizer, analgesic and natural antihistamine. 9. Reduces dermatitis and skin imperfections by cleaning pores through perspiration. 10. Avoid muscle aches, among other things. But by not having an intimate encounter for a week, these benefits disappear and you begin to 1. Lose desire. The longer you go without having intimacy, you stop producing the hormone of happiness and you lose desire. 2. Certain brain functions are inhibited. 3. You increase the risk of suffering cardiac arrest. 4. You begin to gain weight. 5. You begin to lose the toning of your muscles. 6. Intimate relationships is really a very pleasant encounter, but not having them or losing the benefits it brings to the body. 7. Even, some doctors suggest that the virgin size is reduced. There are many reasons why people stop having sex. Some of them are stress, depression, physical tiredness, boredom, arguments, resentment, physical or psychological mistreatment, diseases such as difficulty in having an orgasm in the woman or lack of erection in the man, premature ejaculation, menopause or andropause, low levels of testosterone, hypothyroidism, diabetes mellitus, as well as alcoholism and other chronic addictions. Lack of moderate physical exercise. Also, the use of medications can reduce or eliminate sexual desire, for example those used to control high blood pressure, depression, anxiety, high cholesterol, prostatitis,